Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's summertime and that means only one thing. It's time to spend loads of money on garden furniture that will fall apart. And today's furniture that will fall apart inevitably is this. It's the IKEA Nammaro. I don't know if I'm saying that right because of all the umlauts and twiddles on the letters there. Garden chair. It's just a single garden chair. Now I've got bad form with IKEA garden furniture because I think it was during the pandemic that we bought this. I don't even remember what it's called. This is our IKEA garden furniture bought not 3 years ago, under 3 years. I mean, it's helpfully taken apart by my brother-in-law. But this is the Nammaro garden chair. And it just went mouldy. Now, of course, you're supposed to keep it in during the winter, but the thing just fell apart really easily. And I've noticed they don't do the Nammaro reclining chairs now. They call them Nammaro chairs. Look, there's the Nammaro table. We had that whole video where I put that together. It just fell apart within 2 years. And I know what you're saying, buy IKEA, buy twice, but I just need a garden chair for the moment for my channel. So I got this table, not from IKEA, but from online, and I just needed a chair to go with it. That chair I bought from John Lewis about 20 years ago, and it's just about going strong, but I need some proper chairs. So that is why I've got the Nammaro, and I thought you'd have to assemble them. But it looks as if they come pretty much installed. So this is just an unboxing, just to show you how they come out of the box. It's just a first impressions review of the IKEA Nammaro garden chair. We are obviously living in interesting times. So at the time of me filming this, the price of this chair it was £25 with the IKEA family card, which I think is $30, but I'll put on screen now where else in the world it costs. It's £30 without the family card. Can you get a family card if you haven't got a family? Surely, yeah, that must be a thing, right? They don't check family. Everyone's a member of a family in some way though, aren't they? So anyway, I got the family card. That got me a bit of a discount. So let's open up. I need a knife. My wife wasn't too impressed that I wanted to get the IKEA chair given how long the other chairs didn't last, but I think she could see it in my eyes how badly I wanted a garden chair right now when we were in the big blue and yellow store. So she then suddenly encouraged me to get it, which is very kind of her, because I do know that this might not last very long. But I thought I'd have to assemble it. So I'm very pleased. Thanks, let's put this on the tripod. Let's open it up. And there's some instructions. It just comes in one piece. And you open it up literally by pulling the legs apart. Is that the right description? I'm not sure. It does lock into place. I'll just give you a 360 of the Nammaro chair. I like how this curves at the back. I think that's really nice. It looks comfortable. We'll give it a sit test in a moment. According to IKEA, the Nammaro folding garden chair is easy to fold up and store, which makes it perfect for extra dinner guests. Oh yeah, I guess you could use it indoors. That'd be quite useful. You can make your chair more comfortable and personal by adding a chair, cushion or pad in a style you like. This folding chair is made of acacia. When I overthink it, I say it wrong. Acacia wood, which is naturally durable and sturdy hardwood because of the high density of its wood fibres. A little bit of GCSE DT information there. And obviously you can combine it with the other outdoor furniture in the Nammaro series for a coordinated outdoor space. It's timeless design, making the series easy to place and suitable for many different environments. It's been pre-treated to be better protected against the sun, rain, stains and other wear and tear. And IKEA helpfully remind us on the app that it is recyclable, being made of wood. The package height is 10 centimetres, 92 centimetres long. It's 5 kilograms. It's really easy to carry. And the width is 50 centimetres. The other great thing with this, I thought it'd be really heavy, but it's only 5 kilograms. Well, it says 5 kilograms. It doesn't feel like 5 kilograms. I'm not that strong. But it opens up really easily. And right, should we do the sit test now? It's a comfortable garden chair. Oh, actually, that curved back is fantastic. It's much better than the straight back garden chair. I am calling this a Dad Delivers garden furniture success. What do you think? I hope you get to live vicariously through our IKEA garden furniture purchases that we seem to make every other year. But if you have made it to this point in the video, thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going. And right here is what YouTube knows you want to be watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye! Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?